Imagine making money while you sleep. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. AI trading bots are revolutionizing the market, helping traders of all levels buy, sell, and manage trades automatically. No emotions, no stress, just smart data-driven decisions. Whether you're into crypto, stocks, or forex, these AI bots analyze the market 24/7, predict trends, and execute trades in seconds. In this video, I'll reveal the 5 best AI trading bots that can help you trade smarter and earn passive income without staring at charts all day. First up, Pionex, one of the most beginner-friendly platforms, offering 16 free AI trading bots that automate strategies like grid trading, dollar cost averaging, DCA, and arbitrage. It's perfect for traders looking to set it and forget it while letting AI do the heavy lifting. Next, we have 3 Commas, a smart trading automation tool that provides customizable strategies, portfolio management, and copy trading features, meaning you can copy expert traders and earn while learning. Then there's TradeSanta, a cloud-based AI trading bot that uses long and short strategies to profit in any market condition. Whether the market is bullish or bearish, this bot adjusts and executes trades based on real-time data. If you're looking for an AI that offers high-frequency trading and backtesting capabilities, then Bitsgap is for you. It allows you to test strategies before investing real money, reducing risk while optimizing profit potential. And finally, Krill, the most user-friendly bot on this list, featuring a drag-and-drop strategy builder. So even if you don't know how to code, you can automate your trading strategies with ease. The best part? It's fully automated, meaning you don't have to sit in front of your screen all day. The AI does the work for you. But here's the catch. AI trading bots aren't magic money machines. They don't guarantee profits, and you still need to manage your risk wisely. Always start with a small investment. Diversify your strategies and monitor performance. The key is to use AI as a tool to enhance your trading, not replace your own decision-making. So which AI bot do you think is the best? Comment below with your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more trading and AI insights, and turn on notifications so you never miss a money-making opportunity.